The state of Missouri is responding to accusations that it intentionally withheld data showing the effectiveness of masks. At 5, we told you about a report saying that the Department of Health and Senior Services studied case numbers from around the state. One key data point was that areas with mask mandates experienced 15.8 cases per 100,000 people per day, while places without mask mandates had 21.7. But the report says that correlation wasn't made public. KCTV5's Nathan Vickers is live to tell us how state and local officials are now responding to this. Nathan?
Brad, that report came from a reporter for the Missouri Independent with help from the Brown Institute for Media Innovation. Now, Parson just tweeted out over an hour ago a 12-part response to that journalist's reporting, calling some of his article hand-picked data. Parson wrote, he left out important information that provides context for the whole story. This type of so-called reporting is unethical and needs to stop because it misleads the public and poses a danger to the credibility of our institutions. A couple of tweets later, Parson wrote this: I have consistently said that I am not anti-mask, I am anti-mask mandate. If you want to wear a mask, wear one. However, I do not support government-issued mask mandates that infringe on our personal liberties. But here locally, city and county officials have urged people to wear a face covering when they're out in public. Earlier today, when we asked the Jackson County and Kansas City health departments about the state's data, they told us that having that information likely would not have changed public policy, but it may have helped reinforce their messaging.
That simply confirmed the science we were already looking at in terms of what's going on nationally and across the globe. I don't think that having access to that information would have changed any of our recommendations.
Kind of having that extra booster of saying, hey, the thing that we have said in the past with respect to masking is in fact true. It definitely helps the public health message to have that kind of information.
Now, the state health department also sent us a copy of the email that the health department director, Donald Kaueroff, sent to the governor's office. And in it, Kaueroff does say that masks likely contributed to slowing the spread of COVID-19, but he also clarified that there were other variables that the state couldn't account for. The State Department of Health also said that they have never conducted a comprehensive study on mask efficacy. Reporting live in Kansas City, Nathan Vickers, KCTV 5 News.